Alright, YouTube, Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, back with another video here in sunny San Diego. This early morning, we got another Tundra. As you know, I have a Tundra, and I have a few friends that have Tundras, and man, I'm getting good at them. So we're doing a pretty nice system in this one. We're gonna have some Audiofrog speakers going in the dash. We got Audiofrog speakers going in the doors, the front and rear doors. We have an audio control 6-channel amp going underneath the driver's seat, and then also a mono block going under the passenger seat. So stay tuned. I got a phone call coming in, but stay tuned. I'm gonna get these doors off. We're gonna do some sound deadening and a whole lot of goodies. All right, let me get this phone call. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, finishing up the sound deadening on the doors of the Tundra. All these are all complete except for this last one. As you can see, I do the inner scan and then about to do this outer scan, and all four will be complete. Then it's on to the wiring, so you'll see that next. Make some quick disconnects for all the speakers, so we'll do that next. Stay tuned for more AL Designs. Alright, y'all, working on the Tundra. As you can see, I got the mid-range speakers in the dash all wired up. Every connection is gonna have a quick disconnect. Doors and dash speakers all will have this quick disconnect. So these are all done, just gotta put them in the dash, put the grills back on. 6x9s, gotta do some work. The 6x9s are a little big, so I have to make a spacer. So I made this spacer out of ABS, or I should say it's PVC, expanded PVC. So we're gonna see if these will fit behind the door. I might have to do a little modifying on the grill, but working on those. And the rear doors are all complete. They're all good to go. Just got to do some zip tying, clean that all up, but we're working on the doors, and then we'll move on to the amp rack and the power wire and the ground and the RCAs, bass knob, all the goodies. So stay tuned. And just like that, YouTube, I'm all done with the 2007 Tundra. We got audio control 6-channel amp under the driver's seat, an epic audio control mono block for the 12-inch sub that sits here. Everything came out really well. All the doors have Audiofrog coaxials, 6.5s in the rear, 6x9 coaxials in the door, and 2.5s in the dash. Sounds amazing. Stay tuned for more AL Designs, Anthony Lyons. Whew, let's keep it going.